Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where mouse keeps double clicking in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. See, I'll explain the real problem to you. It's not that the mouse is double clicking, its properties have been changed. For example, if I click on this once, it won't open this folder. If I double click on it, it will open the folder. So if you click on option on the three dots and then select options, there is an option here which says double click on an item to open it, and the other one is to single click it. If I apply and OK this, then simply clicking on a folder will open it. One click is enough. So I prefer to change it to the default one, which is double click to open an item. Click on apply and then on OK. This will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.